Hi, my name is Chris Horton with MarineMax Pensacola at Bahia Mar Marina, and today I'm on a 2018 Harris 230 Solstice dual console. It has the desert camel upholstery as well as the desert beige seagrass carpet. This is powered by a 250 Mercury 4-stroke Verado. It also has a Polk audio system, tilt steering, depth gauge, stainless steel rocker switches, one of the things I also like about this boat is you see how the seat is here, but say you're parked somewhere and you can lay out on the sun pad and fold it back and you have all kinds of room. It's got a 10-foot bimini top, stainless steel heavy-duty ladder, and stainless steel heavy-duty ski tow bar. If you've got any other questions, please call us at 850-477-1112.